Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of dirt bike accessories and exploring what could arguably be the best dirt bike clutch available. Introducing the 7/8 Universal Motorcycle Black Left Clutch Brake Handle Lever Perch. For Honda CRF XR 80100, CRF 80 XR 200, SSR 125cc Coolster Rakata Baja Extreme Pit Dirt Motorbike Motocross Parts. That's quite a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, why do I say it's the best? Well, let's break it down. First off, this clutch lever perch is designed to fit a wide range of dirt bikes, including Honda CRF and XR models, SSR, Coolster, Rakata, Baja, and more. That means no matter what bike you ride, chances are this perch will fit like a glove. Not only does it fit a variety of bikes, but it's also incredibly easy to install. Just a few minutes and you're ready to hit the trails. Plus, the smooth exterior finish and oil-rubbed design give it a sleek look that'll make your bike stand out from the crowd. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance, ease of installation, and overall value of this clutch lever perch. With over 2,000 ratings and an average of 4.3 stars, it's clear that riders everywhere are loving it. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a new dirt bike clutch, look no further than the 7/8 Universal Motorcycle Black Left Clutch Brake Handle Lever Perch. Trust me, your bike will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, ride safe and happy trails.